So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Toncoin, ticker symbol TON, on Kraken. So once you open up Kraken, go down to the bottom, press on the Explore icon, then go to the top, press on Search. Then either type in ticker symbol TON, which I will do, or type in Toncoin. So at the top, Toncoin, go ahead and press on that. Once you're here, go down to the bottom, press on Buy TON, the purple button. Then once you're typing the amount, so for this demonstration, I'll just go ahead and type in 20 as an example. Then to proceed, go to the right and press on the purple arrow. Once you're on this page, you can check out the amount, the price, the fee, and the total. If all looks good, you want to proceed with the transaction, go to the bottom and press on the purple confirm button to proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Toncoin, ticker symbol TON, on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.